What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, the best place for affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos with YouTube Video Editor. As it's 2021, there's some of my videos that needs adjusting. The date might be 2020 or even earlier, something that I need to just tweak, but the video itself is still full of valuable information. So let me show you. I'm going to have my screen live while I'm going to remove 2020 in one of my older videos and change it to 2021. So let's go and dive into what I'm going to do. First, you have to know you have to be subscribed to your channel, and we have to go into YouTube Studio because we're going to do some editing. Then we will go to content because I have to find the video that I want to change. Now I know it's one of the first ones that I started off with. You will see I was a little stressed in my first videos, but as you know, it gets better with continuing. I found the video. 3 ways to make money online in 2020. The value of the video is still the same. The 3 ways you can use is still the same. But now we're entering 2021 and I would like to change just that bit in my video without redoing the whole video. So let me show you guys. Now we will check with the edit pen, and then because we're going to edit with YouTube Editor, we have to go into the editor. So here is the video. What you have to do, you have to listen to your video and find the parts that you want to edit. So I already did that, and I have my timings where I have to trim or cut or remove from the video. Now to be able to do editing, we have to click on trim. You will see this part is all blue. So now I will be able to edit. The first thing that I want to edit, this is where I said 2020, and this is what I want to remove. Because I'm recording my screen, I can't hear it, but I can see with my face where I'm mentioning 2020, and I have the time that I have to be able to cut this out. You see? So this is a little tricky, but I want to make this video to show you guys how easy you can just tweak your older videos and they're still fresh with valuable content. Now that I have removed the 2020 that I didn't want in my video, I also marked a second area, 2 areas more. Now what I've learned, do all the editing and then save it. The other thing that I like using your YouTube editor, that you don't lose any views, any subscribers or any comments that people made, because you don't remove the video, you just do the changes and you still have everything as it was. It's only that you have edited your video with the new updates or just remove the old dates or old information that you don't need. I even have a video that I explained about 2 or 3 different products that is good for affiliate marketing. Now this is quite a value video, and I want to reuse it in 2021. But what happened, one of the products is removed from the market. So I don't want to use the video using the 4 products or 5 products while one is already removed. So I will do the same thing, just go into the YouTube editor and I will remove the product that's not available. But the rest of the video, once it's edited, can still be effective, full of value for people in 2021. So I love using YouTube Editor. Clicked on trim, I clicked on split, and this is the part where I need to remove the double words of YouTube that I used. Seeing that I'm editing and I can do quick editing without changing anything, while I'm at it, I'm also removing this additional word. This part is done and I will press preview. Now let's see, there's another part later on that I also want to remove while I'm busy with this. Let's see, this was 7:48. See, if you have the time where you want to remove something, it's much easier. Let's see, now I'm going to make it bigger that my audio is correct, because I can see that I don't cut something that I might need later. Well guys, I hope this was helpful. This is really an easy way to change something small, and there's quite a lot of features. You can play around and search for all the features in there, but I just wanted to show you in this video what is available, and the best part is your video stays up. So that's it. Check out the links below for more information about YouTube editing and how to do it the easy and fastest way without removing your videos. Hope this video was helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe for updates, ring the notification bell not to miss any of my forthcoming videos. See you next time on the other side of the screen in my next video.